Hey everybody. So I just uploaded that one where I was like I broke it, where the truck got pulled out. Tow truck already came and got it. I didn't get any footage of that. As you can see, my hair is wet though. Just got out of the shower. It was a really nice shower, by the way. Um, but since I have a lot of free time, I thought I'd clue you guys in on a little project that I've been working on. So, what is that project? It's it's a company that I'm going to be starting. Don't want to give a lot of details. Maybe we'll see. But I'm going to be starting a company, and there's one thing I've learned with all the years I've been in trucking and all my past students that I've trained and everything else. There's a lot of truck drivers out here who have college degrees, and I've met quite a few of them. And I'm going to be hiring two of those drivers to do some part-time work. Uh, Actually, you know what? I'm just going to tell you what it is. It's an accounting firm. So I'm going to be starting up an accounting firm to do taxes that are going to benefit truckers, tax planning, um, credit repair, just so many different things underneath that umbrella. Um, Now I got my tablet right here, and I've already been doing a lot of research on it. I already started getting some of the corporate documents typed out, but the reason why I'm making this video is I've decided to actually have you guys be a part of it. So, as you guys follow along, I'm going to show you the very beginnings of this company. Right now, it's just all on paper. No licensing has been applied yet. The company name even hasn't been picked yet. But it's an accounting firm. And I know a driver, he's a CPA. But, he decided to get into trucking. And I'm going to be working with him, and he's going to be doing the CPA work. I got some other people who can do some of the other aspects of it. But I kind of want to put this out there because there's a lot of drivers out there who have a lot of skills. And being a truck driver, we're working 70 hours or longer a week. And then there's a lot of you guys that are watching my channel who are coming from other industries or other skills, and you're coming here. So there's going to be a series of job openings that I'm going to have. Um, and in the beginning, it's going to be part-time work. But the one thing I really believe in is paying very well. So, also with me being here at Orozco, they're paying me very well. Like so far, like this month, between my driving pay and what I've been making on the stock market, I've made over $10,000. 9, 10,000, probably pushing 11. Um, and we're not even that far in this month yet. I mean, today's only the 12th. By the time I get this up, I don't know if it'll be today or tomorrow. So you might be watching this on the 13th. But I've made $10,000 in 12 days just this month. Last month, I don't remember what it was. I'll show you guys again, like my spreadsheet where I'm keeping log of all that. But when you're making that kind of money, you have to understand proper tax planning. I'm going to have some videos coming out soon, kind of talking a little bit more about that. Another thing I'm looking at trying to do is try to get like a podcast thing kind of going, uh, where topics like this can be talked about and you guys can kind of like be a part of it, as well as just any other topic. Anyone that has actually ever met me know that um, there's a wide variety of topics that I'm very fascinated in. But yeah, so this company's, like I said, there's not even a company name yet. It is going to be held underneath a holding company that I have, which is HARZ LLC. I also own Microlending LLC. I don't know if my microlending company is going to be a part of this yet, but there's some interesting interplays that those can do. And what some of you guys may not know, if you've only seen my trucking videos, I actually have a finance and financial background. I actually used to own a car dealership, auto repair, and I did auto lending. I was licensed in the state of Texas to do auto and real estate. I also owned a IT company. And if you guys would like to know what happened to those or how I ended up in a trucking company, let me know. I can do a video on that. It's actually kind of upsetting. Um, it's a little bit of an ordeal, but I'll be more than happy to explain some of that. If you've seen some of my other really old videos, you might already kind of have a clue, but I can put it all in one video if that's something you guys would be interested in. So, when is this company going to be up and running? Maybe sometime this year. It's almost over, but most likely going into next year. There's a good possibility that coming this tax season, though, there might be a small group of people that I'm going to reach out and they're going to get their taxes done for free. So that could be any of you guys on here. I haven't picked anyone yet. And that would be just to like start testing out some of the things. Now, we're not going to test out your taxes. Your taxes will be done professionally. It's more of like the back end management of that. And getting a proper workflow. I could kind of go into more detail on that if you guys be interested in that. But if I do anything, I make sure I do it right 100%. And I also want you guys to know, if I ever recommend a product on my YouTube channel, I've never been paid for a product yet. So any product or service or anything, I stand behind it. So if I'm being involved in making a accounting company, trust me, it's going to be 100%. I'm going to be behind it. Yeah. Anyway, I can go on that. I'm not going to. Some of the documents that I'm starting to do, I may make public. I don't know yet. It's not going to be a publicly traded company, or not right now. I don't think so. I don't know if I want to go that route. But I can see the work that's already been done, and to me, it's very interesting. And I also want to try to get some more guests on my channel, especially in tax planning. It's something that I work a lot on because of the amount of money that I make. By the end of next year, my yearly income is probably going to be like 250 to 300,000. So, yeah. Tax planning is important. Anyway, just a short little video. This is probably going to end up on my financial freedom videos, or I might make it its own series. This video here is like totally off the cuff. I was taking a shower. I was like, you know what? I'm going to do this video. And, hey, reach out there. If any of you guys think you guys would have a skill or something that could be valuable for me, that I could hire you for, my email is down in the description. So just click on that, find my email, and shoot me an email. Let me know what you've done. Some of the areas I'm going to need is legal. Highly doubt there's any attorney, but maybe a paralegal. More accountants, so CPA, EAs, or people with backgrounds in that. Data, so internet guys, not just website programmers, but also software, hardware, things like that. Business management, advertising, all those different departments. Email me. Let me know what skills you got and where you came from, and let me know why you came into trucking. This is going to be hard work and take a lot of doing, but you know what? We're truck drivers. We're kind of used to the hard work. And that's the one thing I think that this video is going to be really good to my truck driver guys and gals. We don't shy away from a little hard work, do we? So, anyway, thank you for watching. Please comment, like, rate, and subscribe. Do comment down below. It does help with the algorithms. Share the video. And if you know somebody who has a set of skills, hey, shoot them this video. Let's see what we can build as a community and build a new company on YouTube. You know, people have done like house repairs and everything else. Let's build a company. Let's see how big we can get it. That actually does good. I like that idea. All right. Again, thank you for watching.